Welcome back to another episode, season 1. I still remain your host, Gbadebo Olufemi Gabriel, the CEO of NordFem Global. Please don't forget to like our previous video. Please comment and share to your loved one. This is where we call CTP. This is where we make the plates. This is where the output plates. Before, after graphics has done its own job, I've told you earlier, after graphics has done its own job, it's going to send it to Prepress, and Prepress is going to do the layout and editing and all that. After it's done with all those duty, it will now send it to CTP, where they are going to output the plate. So this is where I'm showing you now. See the plate as the plate is coming out. If you don't forget, you will remember that the plate, the CTP plate which I show you in the beginning, was not like this. This one is different to that one. That one that I showed you that time, that is it. This is what we call offline CTP. This is offline CTP. Why we call it offline CTP? Because it do its work separately. After image, it will get to processor, where it's going to wash the plates. You have to remove the plate from the imager and take it to the processor and fix it before the processor will start washing it. So this one is different to that one that I'm showing you now. We call it online. See, this is online. This one is going to image. After the imaging, it will send the plate automatically to Raptor or processor, where it's going to wash the plate, and it's going to go there automatically and come out to the delivery stage. So see the plate as the plate was traveling, coming to this place and arrange himself. So this is online CTP. It's different to offline, the previous one that I show you. That one you have to move the plate from imager and take it to the processor and fix it. But this one case is different. This one is going to make the job to be lighter and make the job to be simple for you. To just take the processing by itself, send it to from imager to the processor, from processor to get to delivery stage. So this is this is a CTP office, computer to plate, where we make plates before hand over the plate to the press. And people that is in charge of press, those are the people we call operator on that machine, either on Sheffield, either on KBA, either on Edinburgh or Komori, either on the three. They will send it to whatever the machine they are using. That is where they are going to send the plate to, and that is where we call press unit. That is where they are going to run the job for you before the job will get to post press, where they are going to do the finishing of the job. So this is another machine. This machine we call gravure machine. Gravure machine is a machine that print on nylon. Its own process is different to flexo, is different to offset. This one is going to pass through the unit that it has. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 9 units. This one does not use CTP plate. It does not use flexo plate. It only use cylinder. Cylinder is the plate that is using. Cylinder is a item that we used to roll from the machine. It's big. It's like an iron. It's a very big iron. Each unit in this machine, it has it. inside. That is where they are going to transfer the job, image job, artwork job on it. So his own process is different. So this machine is the one that print on nylon, like all those biscuit nylon, all those golden moon nylon, all those pack that involve nylon. This machine is the one that print that. His own process also different. When we get to the practical, we will understand more better. But the only area that you need attention mostly, area of graphics, press, layout and CTP. That is what I'm going to teach you. That is area that I'm going to teach you, which is going to involve computer. That is where I'm going to teach you a lot of software that we are using to achieve all this artwork and the layout before sending it to the RIP. RIP is a, you don't forget, Imager, I told you then, raster Imager processor. That is the processing of the CTP. Before the job can get to the CTP, it is graphics work to do the meaningful things. After it has designed the finish, after it has finished with the design, it will convert the job to fitting, to suitable for the CTP. Because there are some colors that you cannot send to CTP, like RGB. When you are sending RGB, what the meaning of RGB? RGB means red, blue and green. That three color cannot give us an image. It cannot give us a real colors of image. What am I mean by image? Image is like me. Picture, anything that involve picture, real picture. Like as I'm talking to you now, I'm a real picture. Every color, it is inside me. Both cyan, magenta, yellow, black. Everything was inside me. If you want to separate me now, as I'm in front of you now, if you want to separate me, if I scan myself and I take myself to any one of the software, either Illustrator or Photoshop or Artflow, and I'm trying to separate myself, you will see that my body is carrying all the primary color, which we call cyan, magenta, yellow, black. There's no how you can achieve an image with RGB, because RGB is just red and blue and green. So combination of red and blue and green cannot give us a real image like me. So the real color of real me is cyan, magenta, yellow, black. That's why those are the things that Prepare is going to do when it is trying to pre-flighting the artwork. Because after you have done with the design, you have a lot of things to do, which we call pre-flighting. Pre-flighting, what the meaning of pre-flighting? Pre-flighting, you have to check what you need to check from the artwork and begin to convert them to a standard of the configuration of the machine that is printing the job. Because each machine it was configuration for CMYK, and there's no how you can use RGB management to run it or to print it. RGB, just like when you are trying to design a job, especially when you are designing a job on a medium, you are trying to place it on social media, you can use RGB. Why are we using RGB? RGB is a colorful color. It's a color that is attractive. It's a color that when you apply it, it will look attractive, and it's good for social media. It's very good online, but you cannot use it for printing production. If you use it for printing production, it will waste the materials. So those are the things that you need to know. Those are the secrets behind the prepress. Prepress has a lot of things they are doing there. It's advanced to the graphics. When you are a graphics person and you are trying to move yourself to senior graphics, it is mandatory, compulsory for you to have the knowledge of prepress. And when you have the prepress knowledge, you will still move to CTP. How they achieve the plate, how they convert the image to negative, how they convert the image to positive before getting to the plate. So those are the things that you need to have the knowledge before you can call yourself a professional senior graphic designer. So, but if you are still under designing alone, you are still a junior artist. You are not get there. So those are the things I'm going to teach you in this platform, in this program. I will break it down for you. I will let you understand graphics, and I will teach you graphics. After I'm done with graphics, we now move to prepress, in area where we are going to convert the job to suitable any machine that is going to run the job. And I will still move you to CTP also, and I will teach you how we do the planning and layout. So those are the things that we do in prepress.